Here is an easy to make Kare Kare dish, which is almost like the Kare Kare made by my mommy Neneng. Heat oil in a large pan. Place the garlic, onion, and Kare Kare mix powder on the pan. Saute the garlic, onion, and Kare Kare mix powder before it gets toasted or burnt. Add some of the tenderized beef, good for one meal. Add a cup of beef broth. Mix it and let it simmer. Add the pre-boiled bok choy or pet choy and the pre-fried eggplant. You can also add pre-boiled butternut squash. Putting peanut butter is optional since the Kare Kare mix powder has peanut on it already. For a creamier sauce, you can add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of your preferred peanut butter. For the vocabulary words, we will learn eggplant. Eggplant is a noun which means an oval, purple vegetable that is white inside and is usually eaten cooked. In the UK, it is called an aubergine. Example sentence: Audrey grilled the eggplants with the help of her Uncle Mac. Garlic. Garlic is a noun which is a plant of the onion family that has a strong taste and smell and is used in cooking to add flavor. Example sentence: Mamita fried the onion and garlic on the pan over low heat for about 3 minutes. Bok choy, pak choy, pichai, pechai, or pok choy is a noun which is a type of Chinese cabbage forming an open head with long white stalks and green leaves. Example sentence: Joy asked ZK to wash the leaves of the bok choy carefully and place it on the boiling pot. Optional. Optional is an adjective which means not necessary or demanded, but possible or available, depending on what you decide to do. Example sentence: The homework for Danny is optional. He is under no obligation to do it, but it could be good practice for him. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is a noun which means a type of squash that is typically fat and round at one end, with pale brown skin and orange flesh. Example sentence: Whenever Audrey and I go to the supermarket, he always asks me to choose a good butternut squash for pinakbet.